case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a game-changing ruling, an Arizona court found a builder liable for breaching implied warranty of habitability and proper workmanship. This case, which took place over a decade after the faulty construction occurred, significantly shifts the onus from the home buyer to the builder for latent defects in residential construction. At the heart of the case was a defendant builder who was slapped with a lawsuit over the poor stucco installation in a house, which was bought more than 12 years ago. The plaintiff alleged that the builder breached their implied warranty, demanding repair costs and attorney's fees. Despite vehemently denying the allegations and raising several defenses, including the statute of limitations, the defendant found himself under unfavorable scrutiny. The case centered on two pivotal questions. Should the buyer have sought an expert inspection before purchasing the house to claim damages for latent defects? And is there a time limit for the applications of implied warranty of habitability and proper workmanship for stucco installation? Lower in the court hierarchy, the defendant dodged the allegations. However, on appeal, the tides changed dramatically. The court sided with the plaintiff, deeming the defendant liable for breaching the implied warranty of proper workmanship. The plaintiff was then awarded damages, attorney's fees, and costs. The court rejected the defendant's argument that a reasonable inspection should require experts and affirmed that a layperson should be able to identify defects. Moreover, the court ruled that builders are responsible for their poor workmanship, and that the rule of caveat emptor, buyer beware, does not apply to residential construction. The court deemed that the stucco work of the defendant was significantly under par and led to gradual and progressive damage, which remained undiscoverable by an average buyer until it was finally spotted. It upheld that a 12-year period was not too long for an applied warranty of habitability and workmanship for stucco installation. As the dust settled, the court underlined that builders are responsible for the cost of substandard workmanship, and the principle of buyer beware doesn't hold weight in residential construction cases. The case is now pending review in a higher court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.